the Our Home presents the 5 best wood router. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Porter Cable 690 LR11 amp fixed base router. If you're looking for a beginner-level router to learn routing, the Porter Cable 690 LR will give you everything you need to get started. This is a low-cost product, so you shouldn't expect high-end features on it. This is just a single-speed router that you can buy for around $130 as of writing this. Now, performance-wise, the 690 LR packs a nice punch. Its 1.77 horsepower motor produces a torque of 0.34 pound-feet at a fixed speed of 27,500 RPMs. At this RPM range, the 690 LR beats our budget pick in terms of cutting force. However, this router is limited to this RPM. You can't change it. Coming of our list at number 4. Bosch MRC23 EBS Combination Plunge and Fixed Base Variable Speed Router Pack. The Bosch MRC23 EBS is a heavy-duty router. It has a motor that produces 25% more power than the Bosch 1617 AVS-PK and the dual DW618 PKB. The benefits of this performance upgrade doesn't become evident at low RPM ranges. But, at high RPM ranges, this machine produces 25% more torque than our top pick. Now, let's talk a little more about the torque boost at high RPM. Well, if you have more torque at a given RPM, you can work on harder wood. But, at high RPMs, you can't use bits with a large diameter. So, when you put these two together, it becomes clear that the MRC23 EBS is way better at cutting hardwood with small diameter bits. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Dual DW618 PK Plunge and Fixed Base Variable Speed Router Kit. The first parameter that I compare is the torque. In this department, the DW618 PKB and the 1617 AVS-PK are equal. So, the two machines exert the same amount of cutting force behind the bit. Even the maximum depth for fixed mode and plunge mode are about the same. Anyway, you can make up the difference by making multiple passes. So, unless the difference in maximum depth of cut is significant, don't worry about it. Now, let's come to the accuracy of depth adjustment. You can set the depth on a DW618 PKB with an accuracy of 1/64th of an inch. However, the fine adjustment knob on this machine is more sensitive than the one on our budget model. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Dual DWP611 PK 1.25 horsepower max torque variable speed compact router. This 1.13 horsepower machine can rotate the bit at a range of 16,000 RPMs to 27,000 RPMs. At its lowest speed, the DWP611 PK produces 0.37 pound-feet of torque. If you set the machine to its maximum RPM, the torque goes down to 0.22 pound-feet. Compared to the top pick, we're looking at a 70% decrease in minimum torque and 45% decrease in maximum torque. So, the DWP611 PK is not ideal for cutting hardwood. And since the machine operates at a high RPM range, you must stick to small routing bits. At these speeds, a big routing bit can burn your workpiece. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Bosch Router Power Tools 1617 AVS-PK. The Bosch 1617 AVS-PK is the best wood router on the market. Its 1.9 horsepower motor delivers an impressive torque of 1.27 pound-feet at 8,000 rpms and 0.41 pound-feet at 25,000 rpms. Using the 6-position dial, you can select the right RPM for the material you're routing. Its trademark constant response technology gives a uniform finish by preventing RPM fluctuations. This machine comes with a fixed base and plunge base. The fixed base lets you cut up to 1.625 inches. With the plunge base, you can cut up to 2.25 inches deep. For more information, check out the description underneath the video.
Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.